Well, beautiful Sunday. We're out at the lake, heading to a little spot to cook some lunch, do some fishing, and just give some updates on the channel and what's coming up this summer, this spring. Kind of want to get right into making lunch because I got a steak and eggs that I don't feel like having sit for too long. So we're gonna jump right into that. Got my little Jetboil petite sirloin. And I just cracked 3 eggs into a mason jar. Just shake it around, dump it in, you got scrambled eggs. Easy as that. The pan with the big long handle doesn't really like to balance on the Jetboil. So I just kind of, there's a log right here. I'll just set it on that. Jetboil there. And the view. That just fell off the knife right into where I wanted to land. Nice little steak. Nothing better, I'm telling you. There's some organic black peppercorn and some pink Himalayan salt to throw on there. That already smells so good. Can't go wrong with steak and eggs. Like I said, walking out here, I wanted to, do little updates on the channel. Keep you guys posted on what we're doing. This May, so like 3 weeks from now, little more, we are going on a 3-night, 4-day camping trip up in New Hampshire with some friends. Rented a big site at a state park. That's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna bring the canoe. Obviously gonna have the tent set up, and then just have a good time, make some great food, go fishing, do some tenting, camping, canoeing. I'm really looking forward to that. All the state parks and everything in my area really start opening in May. Nothing's open now. You can't do any really like early spring camping, but the weather's been terrible lately, besides this weekend. This weekend's been pretty nice, but I'm just super excited. I cannot wait. Look at the stuff forming on this baby. That's the only thing that's really tough. There isn't a huge difference in all the way off or all the way on with a Jetboil. So it can be kind of tough cooking steaks and stuff you kind of want to cook a little slower. So yeah, May camping trip. Gonna be spending a bunch of time up in Greenville, Maine this summer. Doing pretty much everything that I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've kind of just said it. This summer I'm filming everything. I want to do more things with the Suburban. I want to put a winch on it. I want to upgrade a few things. I really wanted to buy a van and start doing like a camper van build. But that is the goal eventually, is to get a cheap van, fixer-upper, and just build it into my own. Something I can do road trips on. The Suburban, the fuel mileage is just not there. And if I really want to do some big trips, a van would really be the way to go. I don't think the Suburban is, it would drive across the country right now, but it would cost me thousands in fuel. This Jetboil's been so good to me. I've used this thing so many times now, cooking, boiling water for dehydrated meals, eggs, steak, cook anything on this thing. It's a lot of fun. So easy to pack. They're a bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it if you have the money to pick one up. Luckily I got given a Cabela's gift card for Christmas, so I took that, and that was my justification to spend the money on a Jetboil. Slow cooking away. I gotta get my Maine and New Hampshire fishing license for sure. There's there's a campsite out at the point of the northern point of Mount Kineo, which is a mountain inside of Moosehead Lake, right in the middle of it. And I really want to paddle out and camp on that campsite, fish, camp, and then there's a trail that goes up the backside of the mountain that you can get up to the fire tower at the top and see the whole lake, and it is just absolutely something on my bucket list that I need to do, and my goal is to do it this summer. I think it'd be so much fun. It's an 800 foot tall cliff, and it's just spectacular. And at the bottom of the cliff is actually the deepest part of the lake, which is kind of cool too. It's gonna set right there. So throw another knob of butter on and pour the eggs in. Those are gonna get some salt and pepper too. Instead of worrying about the eggs cracking in your bag, just crack them, throw them in a mason jar. Black pepper. Pink Himalayan salt. I cannot wait for summer. I don't know about you guys. Can't wait. This winter was such a dud. No snow. I went snowmobiling 3 times. I put some good miles on, but it just wasn't the winter I wanted. And if there's not gonna be any snow, I don't want it to be cold. You know, snowmobiling's the only reason I love winter. If I can't do that, give me spring, give me summer. There you go, scrambled eggs. Easy as that. This pan's really hot, so these things cooked super fast. Shut the old jet boil off. Got my fork and knife and spoon that I'll use for the yogurt. I just put them on these little carabiners, clip them onto the bag. Nice little life hack.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll take it.
Like I said, the jet boil can be a little tough, but that's perfect for me. Anyone got any camping trips coming up? Any fun summer plans? I know a few of you that are gonna watch this are coming with me this in May. So good. Black pepper, pink Himalayan salt. I have garlic powder in the truck. I forgot to grab it. Doesn't even matter. This is amazing. Look at that. Let's try some of these eggs out quick. Yep. Salty, peppery, wonderful eggs. Wow. Well, if you watch Binging with Babish, that just entered the Clean Plate Club. That was amazing. But I gotta wash up some dishes and get the heck out of here. Well, I got everything packed up, pretty much. The wind's kinda dying down a little bit, but I'm just gonna have my yogurt and hike out of here. I was gonna do some fishing, but it's a little Greek yogurt with some like cookie dough nibs. Just flip it over. Come on. Chocolate chips too. That might be a new favorite snack right there. Wow. Got this bag off of Amazon for like 40 bucks, I think. awesome. Pretty nice little bag. I got the fold out chair on the bottom. Yeah, it was like $40. Fit everything in here that I need. I'm gonna grab you guys and walk myself out of here. Let's get out of here before the rain hits. Cool trail. Well guys, appreciate you for watching, hanging out, and hope you enjoyed.